Yeah. Okay, the next tag is directive tag. Okay, directive tag. Okay, so how we write this directive tag? We just say less than percentage. Okay, after that we say at the rate and say percentage less than. Okay, this is the directive tag, guys. We'll be discussing about these tags. Okay, we'll be discussing about these tags soon. We'll see. And the next tag is scriptlet tag. Scriptlet tag. Okay, okay, how we write this scriptlet tag? Just see, we say less than percentage and percentage less than. Okay, like this we see our scriptlet tag. Okay, we see our scriptlet tag. Okay, and then the next tag is expression tag. Okay, expression tag. So why we use expression, how we use expression tag? We say less than percentage is equals to and percentage less than. Okay, this is how we write our expression tag. Okay, this is how we write our expression tag. Okay, so these are the four main tags in Java server pages. Okay, and there is something called implicit objects in Java. Okay, so just see, these are the concepts. Okay, implicit objects. Sorry guys for the disturbance. Okay, next thing is implicit objects. Okay, these implicit objects are, let me just say you about these things. So these implicit objects are built-in objects which are used instead of servlets, guys. Okay, these implicit objects are used instead of servlets. Okay, okay, so in this, so there are 7 implicit objects. What are they? They are request, response, page, out, okay, session, application, and config. Okay, session, application, and config. These are the 7 implicit objects. Okay. So next thing, let us see about the 4 main tags. Okay, about the 4 main tags. Okay. So the first tag is declaration tag, right? So this declaration tag is used for Declaring fields and methods, guys. Declaring fields and methods. Okay, declaring fields and methods in Java. Okay, so we have seen a service method. Okay, let me just open Codebase to show you. So let's just open our code, show you what is a service method. So guys, here see, so whatever we have written in this protected void do get method. Okay, in this method we call this method as service method. Okay, we call this method as service method. Okay, so here see, so whatever we write using this declaration tag. Okay, if I say uh, the code which is written in the declaration tag, yes piece declaration tag is placed outside the servlet. Okay, outside the servlet servlet service method. Okay, like outside the servlet service method means it is placed here. Okay, just say int I is equals to 25. If I said like this, okay, it just gets declaration. Okay, so I can also say this by saying here. I can also write this like saying outside this, I'll say, just say less than percentage and exclamation mark, and say int I is equals to 25, like this. Okay, so where this get placed is, this gets placed this gets placed here, guys, here. Okay, like say, like why, sir, why it is placed here there means, okay, so we create servlets using Java server pages. Like see, we have created till now HTML, right here we have created HTML here till now, but using JSPs we can also create, using JSPs we can also create servlets, guys. Okay, with the help of these four tags. Okay, with the help of these four tags. Okay, so example for this is just same, less than, percentage, explanation, and say we can place int I is equals to value colon percentage less than, like this. Okay, or else we can declare the methods here. Just say less than percentage explanation and say public void add. Okay, and we can write a method here. Okay, whatever the thing which is inside these declaration methods, okay, will be considered as a Java code. Okay, will be whatever the thing which is written in this less than percentage will be considered as a Java code. Okay, will be considered as a Java code. Okay, always remember this thing. Okay, so what is the next one? So the next one is directive tag. Okay, yeah, the next thing is directive tag. So why we use this directive tag? Okay, these directive tags are used to include or used to import or used to create another tags. Okay, are used to create another tags. Okay, um, let me just tell you how we use them. Okay, see, in this directive tag we have three other different types of directive tags. Okay, there are there are three different types of directive tags. Okay, the first one is @page. Okay, the first one is @page. Okay, and the second one is @include. Okay, third one is @taglib. Okay, third one is @taglib. Okay, so let's see what is @page. Okay, so why we use it? We use it for importing packages. Okay, when we want to import a package or we want to specify the language, okay, which we are writing. Okay, in which we are writing. Okay, the same, uh, want to import from our project or from any of the library. Okay, or else when we want to specify the language we are using. Okay, or when we want to or let's say when we want to do just implement something to the entire page. Okay, when we want to implement something to the entire page, we use at the rate tag, at the rate page. Okay, at the rate page. Okay, so how we use it is, this is syntax of it is, syntax is we say less than percentage, use space and at the rate page. Okay, and we say what are we doing with this, we say what are we doing with this. So what are we doing with this mean sense, the same if we are willing to import some packages, we say import is equals to, and we'll give the thing in this thing. Okay, com dot cmr it dot add servlet, like this. Okay, and then we close it, and then we close it. Okay, like this we'll use the at the rate page tag. Okay, at the rate page tag. Okay, so there are a lot of at list of attributes. I will write it for you after explaining those both also. Okay, this is how we use at the rate page tag. Okay, and the next thing is at the rate include. Next thing is at the rate include. Okay, so include is used for, it is used for including other JSP pages. Okay, including other JSP pages. Okay, like say if we want to use other JSP pages inside one more JSP page, we can use at the rate include tag. At the rate include tag. Okay, so what is the syntax of this? Syntax of this tag is we say less than percentage and at the rate include. Okay, okay, and then we say what is a file we want to include. What is a file we want to include? Let's say file is equals to, we'll say file name dot JSP, file name dot JSP. Okay, and then we'll close it. Okay, and then we'll close it. Let's go here and see how we can do it. Okay, just go up to here and say less than percentage, and I'll say at the rate, and what we need to do, we need to include, right? Include, and we'll say file is equals to, and we have what get dot jsp, right? Say get dot jsp. Okay, like this we can use our include page. So where we can use these include pages means, so whenever we want to get redirected, or whenever we want to go to another pages by clicking our buttons, okay, we can use these pages. Okay, we can use these pages. Okay, so here what I have done, I have given the same file name. Okay, so we can use include tag like this. Okay, so the next tag is at the rate tag lib. Okay, at the rate tag lib. So why this is used, this tag lib is used to create to grab tags. Okay, to create or to grab tags from other libraries. Okay, from other libraries. Okay, just say uh, this is used to tags from the external libraries which are not inside the HTML language. Okay, which are not inside the HTML language. Okay, okay, how we write the syntax for it is, we'll say syntax is, just say less than percentage, okay, at the rate tag lib, and we say URI is equals to the URL which from where we are taking the library. Okay, so simply say we are using the uh, there is a library called bootstrap. Okay, let me open it. So this library is used to create css. Okay, to create css. So for this one, just go for the logs, and so this is a cdn or link. Okay, this is the link. So copy this one and we'll paste it here like this and close it. Okay, and then we'll give some prefix for it. Prefix like by the name. Prefix means by the name, or the we'll creating a HTML tag like a h1 tag. Okay, HTML, or we are creating those tags for that. Just say we will be is equals to, we say CSS like this, and just leave it like this, and percentage less than. Okay, what I do is, if I want to create a tag for this one, I'll say just go less than CSS and less than. Okay, and next CSS less than. Okay, this is how we can create external tags, external HTML tags. Okay, with the names we want. okay, with the names we want. Okay, this is what our tag lib is used for. We create another tags using our tag lib or tag lib tag. Okay, tag lib tag. Okay, so now let's just see the other attributes. So list of other attributes which we can use in our JSP. Okay, so let's see. Instead of the first thing is list of attributes. List of okay, list of attributes. So what are those list of attributes? See, first one, language. First one is language. We can use it for making like this. You can use it for giving another languages. Okay. And the second thing is extents. Extents is equals to just say class name. You can take those class names using extents attribute. Okay. And we can check import to import classes. Okay. Import list. Okay. To take import list. Okay. And the next one is session. So session means so just consider a session in the sense session is a bag which carries our code which we place which carries a thing or a object which we place inside it to the entire web application. Okay, to the entire web application. Like consider there is a consider how can I say this one in the sense yeah, consider that you bought a sweet box to your class. Okay, what you will do? You bought a 1 kg of rasagullas to your class. Okay, what we will do? You will distribute those sweets among all of your friends, right? Among all of your friends, right? So in the same way, the session do. So whatever we give it to the session, it distributes to all the HTML pages inside our web application. Okay, inside our web application. Okay, it can be true or false. Okay, this can be true or false. And the next one is auto flush. Okay, auto flush. This can be true or false. See, this can be used for cleaning the server. Okay, cleaning the sessions. Okay, so next thing is error page. So here we provide our error information or error page, like say error.html. Okay, error pages. Where what is these error pages? Whenever you try to access some pages which doesn't exist. Okay, let me show you how they are. So I have created some other application there. Projects. Great. Okay. This was for CMD. see here I got some data here. Okay, I got some data here. So if there is no such page called, just say localhost 4000 slash, there is no such page called cmrit in my application. Okay, what I got an error page. I got an error page. So like this we create error pages. Okay, we create error pages. Okay, throws as a error page whenever we try to process something which doesn't exist. It throws as an error. Like see, there are applications, there are a lot of applications for those things. If I say Zomato and go to Zomato page, instead of saying it zomato.com, I'll say zomato.com slash cmrit. See here, so every application creates these type of error pages. Okay, so what is the error here? This is a 404 page and we think it's fairly clear. 404 means not found. Okay, these are HTTP codes. Try to learn these things, guys. Try to learn these HTTP codes. Okay, just go for Google and search HTTP codes. Okay, you will get each and every HTTP code. We call them as REST API codes. Okay, see here, 400 means bad request, 403 means forbidden, which means you are not allowed. Okay, see from here 100 to, there are a lot of codes till 499 and 499 511. Okay, these are the codes. Okay, server codes. Okay, like why we need to learn these things in the sense, so whenever you learn some frameworks. Okay, there are frameworks for Java, such as not your journey not just stops here. You need to learn a lot of things in the sense, you need to learn Hibernate, you need to learn Spring, you need to learn Spring Boot. After this you need to your journey goes to React, your journey goes to Express.js, your journey goes to Node.js, your journey goes to Next.js. Okay, so for processing these things, you need to learn these servers. Okay, like see, I have used these servers. Okay, server logs. Okay, how? Just see here, I have created a method where I retrieve data. So this code is written in Express.js, not in Java. Okay, this code is written in Express.js, not in Java. Okay, see, I have written here. So if I don't find the user here, I have written a code, server code. Just remember this thing. You need to return these server codes while you are developing those applications. Okay. So what is mean by 400? So 400 is bad request, which means the user doesn't exist. Okay. So I have also done this in Java. Where is it? Or so I have removed it, I think. Okay. So let me just grab it for you from my GitHub. So leave. So see here, guys. I have yeah. I went to the source. I will go to main website and say without controllers. This controller. See, this is my Java code, guys. This is what my Java code looks like. Okay. So here, see, I have used status. See, HTTP status not found or HTTP status okay. So Java gives us those statuses directly. Okay means 200. Okay. HTTP status okay. Okay. Like this. Okay. HTTP status not found. Okay, we need to return those statuses. This is a basic thing that a developer should remember. Okay, these are the basic things that every developer should know. Okay, so see, try to grab information about these server codes, guys. Okay, try to grab some information about these server codes. Okay, see this one if you want to. Okay. Okay then, and then tomorrow what I will be doing is I will be creating a login logout page for you. Okay, login logout page for using Java, JSP, servlets, and Oracle DB. Okay, how we can retrieve data, how we can pass data. Okay, using Java, JSP, servlets, if possible servlets, or else JSP. Okay, we'll see the and tomorrow we'll be creating that small application. Okay, okay, yeah, and this is today's class, guys, and you can leave the class.